Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a good day because I picked up another helmet. But this time it's very new to me because I've never had a helmet that is a modular. And don't stop watching because this modular is something you haven't seen a lot out there. When I first saw this, I was really blown away because maybe because it's just too different for me. Okay. Without any further ado, guys, what I have here right now is my fourth HJC helmet. Let's take a look at it. Got the instruction. Nobody wants to look at that. Let's get to the more interesting part. So this helmet right here obviously comes with a dust bag. So here we go. Guys, this is the HJC i100. I have already installed the Cardo because why not? I was already at the store and they're offering it, so I might as well have it done. And I've already slapped on my Pack Talk Edge, and let's talk about the helmet. So, as you can see here, from a distance, it looks just like a regular helmet. But where do we start? Okay, let's start with the weight. This is kind of chunky. It registers at 4.2 pounds or 1.9 kilo. Okay, it has a visor that goes like that, and it also has a sun visor that drops like that using the slide right here. So let's close that back and let's just keep on looking at the external features. It has a chin vent right here that you can close and open, obviously, and then push down. So when you're riding, you just go like that. And it has a vent up top that closes and opens on 2 stages. So close, first stage, second stage, more air. It has a vent that goes out in the back right here, and a slot right here for the HJC communication device. Okay, so what else is there outside? Nothing more. Okay, this part is what really blew me away. So this looks just like a regular full face helmet, right? Once you press this front part right here, okay, it goes like this. I'm not struggling, I just don't want to drop this thing. All right, so you got it like that. And a modular helmet that I've seen my fellow riders use goes like that. And I was really turned off right now because I just don't think that it doesn't look safe for me, or it feels like it's gonna drop anytime. So this is what drove me nuts, is that this thing right here can go all the way to the back, locked, and then this thing can be pulled up. So now you have a 3/4 helmet right there. Okay, it looks really, really cool. And so when you're riding in the city where it's not really, really windy, or if you don't really need much of a cover, you can wear it like this. You can drop the visor like that, and then you will also see that you can also drop the sun visor to look like that. It's really crazy, guys, for me. All right, you look at the back right there, real nice. Okay, so as you can see, you can put your cardo or any communication device that you feel like putting on there. um, there's a indented part right there for the speakers, and there's also a route for wirings and stuff. And as you can see, I opted to use the boom mic because this will close anyway, or I can just mute it when I'm riding with the open face or three-quarter open face helmet. Okay, so other than that, guys, there's really nothing much more I could say about this but the price. Okay, so the price is around, I don't know, man, like $320 or something like that. However, today I was able to get this thing for about $120. Okay, it was a really steal of a deal, and that's why I was able to get it just like that. Okay, and just like what I said, this is my fourth HJC helmet. I'm a huge fan. Um, Not getting paid by them to talk about this or anything like that. It's just that, I just like their product. They are good. They're not too expensive, and they're pretty cool with their style, I think, and I dig it. So, other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing on and let you guys see it. Okay.